Howdy, friends! It's Black Friday. Let's stretch, move, and shop with our body. Here we go! Black Friday morning, jump out of bed. Reach your arms up, stretch over your head. Wiggle your fingers, touch your knees. Breathe in slowly, yoga free! Black Friday yoga, let's move today. Stretch and smile in a happy way. Bend like a ribbon, twist like a bow. Strike a pose, ready, let's go! Step into warrior, strong and bright. Just like lights that shine so bright. Tree pose growing tall and slow. Like a sale sign ready to glow. Black Friday yoga, let's move today. Stretch and smile in a happy way. Bend like a ribbon, twist like a bow. Strike a pose, ready, let's go! Push your cart with a big long stride. Lunge pose strong on the left side, right side. Reach for the top shelf, stretch up high. Tiptoe tall, touching the sky. Freeze like a mannequin. Now wiggly wiggly like price tags in the wind. Ready? Big yoga pose and smile. Black Friday yoga, fun all day. Move your body the yogi way. Hop like deals, popping left and right. Yoga friends, you shine so bright. Sit crisscross, hands to heart. Black Friday joy is a yoga art. Breathe in love, breathe out cheer. Happy Black Friday, yogis. See you next year.